Hello and welcome. Today, we're talking about something most people have never even thought about, but it could change everything about how safe you are online. Did you know that a hacker can actually hijack your SIM card while it's still in your phone? That's right, you could be holding your device in your hand, using it like normal, and behind the scenes, someone could be taking control of your phone number, your identity, and your entire digital life. Let's unpack this because it's more common and more dangerous than you might think. This is called SIM swap fraud. And no, this isn't some science fiction scenario or hacker movie. It's a very real and growing threat. Every day, people lose access to their email, bank accounts, crypto wallets, and even their social media, all because someone managed to take control of their SIM card. And the worst part, it often happens before the victim has any idea something's wrong. So, how does this work? Well, SIM swap fraud happens when a criminal tricks your mobile service provider into transferring your phone number to a SIM card they control. Once that happens, they start receiving all your calls and texts. That includes verification codes, the ones your bank or crypto exchange sends to make sure it's really you logging in. With those codes, the attacker can take over your accounts. They can reset passwords, lock you out, and gain full control of everything connected to your number. Your emails, your finances, your social accounts, everything. And here's the chilling part. They don't need to touch your phone. Here's how it typically plays out. First, they gather your personal details, maybe from a data breach, phishing email, or information you've shared publicly. Full name, birthday, phone number, maybe even your address or your mother's maiden name. Then, they contact your mobile provider pretending to be you. They say they lost their phone or their SIM isn't working and they need a replacement. If they sound convincing and if the provider doesn't verify properly, your number gets transferred, just like that. Suddenly, your real SIM loses signal. You can't make calls or send texts. And by the time you realize something's off, the damage is already done. Now they're in your inbox, in your bank app, on your exchange account. They can reset passwords using the codes they now receive, impersonate you, and in many cases, steal everything. It's terrifying. But the good news is you can protect yourself. So let's talk about exactly what you can do to stay safe. First, ask your mobile provider if you can set up a SIM pin or port lock. This adds an extra layer of security. So even if someone tries to swap your SIM, they need to know a PIN only you have. Not all carriers make this obvious, so you might have to request it directly. Second, stop putting your phone number everywhere online. Don't post it on your social media profiles, public groups, or forums unless it's absolutely necessary. The less it's exposed, the harder it is for attackers to use it against you. Third, move away from SMS-based two-factor authentication. It's convenient, but it's not secure if your SIM can be hijacked. Use apps like Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator instead. These apps generate codes directly on your device, not tied to your phone number. Fourth, pay close attention to your phone's signal. If you suddenly lose service for no reason, especially if restarting doesn't fix it, contact your provider immediately. It might not be a network issue. It might be the start of a SIM swap. Fifth, think carefully about what personal info you share online. Hackers often gather little bits of data from multiple places. Your birthday from Facebook, your job from LinkedIn, your pet's name from Instagram. That's how they answer security questions and impersonate you with your provider. And finally, see if your mobile provider offers SIM swap alerts. Some carriers will notify you if there's an attempt to move your number to another device. That early warning can save you from major losses. So you might be wondering, why is this even possible? Why is a phone number so powerful? Well, your number isn't just how people call you anymore. It's tied to your entire online identity. It's the recovery method for your email. It's the key to your bank, your wallet, your apps, your platforms. If someone gets control of your number, they can impersonate you almost anywhere. SIM swap fraud isn't just a tech problem. It's a human problem. It preys on our habits, trusting our providers, oversharing online, relying on convenience instead of security. But by becoming aware, being cautious, and securing your accounts and devices, you can stay one step ahead. So remember, just because your SIM card is physically inside your phone doesn't mean it's safe. Real protection starts with action, with knowledge, and with you taking steps to stay in control. Thanks for watching, and if you found this valuable, please subscribe to OralGist Tech. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Until next time, stay informed, stay alert, and stay safe.
OralGist Tech News.